Hello everyone, my name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Maria Brink's vocal technique, screams and sounds from In This Moment, so let's do this. I chose Fighter because I did a cover of that. It's gonna be uploaded next week. I made some little changes in the song. Obviously, I learned the basic, I learned the song, but I always put my personality, myself, my way, my style into a cover song because I don't believe in copying anybody else. Obviously, Maria Brink is awesome. Why should I want to copy her? So, let's do it. Thank you. Okay, so what you need for this: chest voice, belting, vocal fry, and false chord. Obviously, I'm talking about the screams as well. But when it comes to clean, belting, chest voice, and falsetto, if I didn't mention the falsetto, yes. So in the beginning, you can actually hear how she plays with this really light sound. So basically, she's kind of covering the chest, a little bit of breathy sound, and almost vocal fry. I don't need you to save me. I don't need you to cure me. I don't need you and your antidote, for I am my disease. In this song, actually, she beautifully plays with the dynamic, and I really, really like the way she does it. It's quite unique how she does that. If you listen other songs as well, the reason why it's a little bit difficult to actually singing her songs, because she constantly sings on the bridge. What is the bridge? The bridge is the passaggio area when you go from one register into another one. In this case, for example, from chest voice into falsetto or even belting. The reason why it's difficult because on the bridge is always more difficult to sing than below or above. Sorry, something was falling. Yes. So she constantly sings on the bridge, and especially in the chorus when she got there, she goes into this kind of almost like suffering sound, which helps you actually to connect the chest and the falsetto, and it's gonna help you to avoid the na 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 na. So it's gonna be more like here, when I'm actually going into grace, I'm already into my falsettos register. But you don't hear it because I know how to control that. I'm not doing, I'm gonna hide my face. Because in that case, I'm just going into this very breathy falsetto. You also need to have a very good support and breathing technique, especially if you want to do a very breathy sound in the beginning. When you sing with a breathy sound, the breathy sound has nothing to do with your breathing technique. So it shouldn't affect the breathing technique when you sing with a breathy sound. Anyway, let's continue. I don't need you to help me. Vocal fry is constantly there. Breathy sound. Okay. So the beginning is basically almost vocal fry. Vocal fry is also a vocal register, so don't think about fry scream when I'm talking about vocal fry. Vocal fry is also a vocal register which is below the chest voice. It's the lowest vocal register. So here, I'm gonna hide my face, I'm gonna fall from grace. That's a very, very nice light O in falsetto register. Beautiful, actually, how she covers that. So it's what you need is kind of a suffery approach. More like that. And that will help you, like I said, avoid the big contrast between the chest and the falsetto. And when she goes into this heavier sound, when she goes higher, you need to go into belting. Belting is, as you know, is the extension of the chest voice. So that's a very powerful way of singing. And since she goes up to, where is it? Sorry. When she goes up to, that you need to actually cover it with belting. So, and now I'm just talking about the clean one. Obviously, she uses fry scream beautifully, insanely beautifully, and distortion as well, false chord. So, yes, let's see. And I love the this little break. Oh, my life. It's a little break between, again, coming from falsetto into chest voice. So it's very interesting. Obviously, again, it's not the easiest way of singing. So if you're a beginner, at first I would say just learn the whole song clean as it is, from the beginning till the end. Learn to sing it clean without any kind of strain. Like I said, you need to know belting, chest, falsetto, vocal fry. That's the clean, basically what you need to know. Learn the clean first, learn the basic, and once you can cover that, then you can move on to the sound effects, an advanced vocal technique like fry scream and distortion. Okay? So, one more time, what you need to know: chest voice, belting, falsetto, vocal fry scream, and false chord, basically everything. So, learn the clean first. Once you are done that, then you can move on into fry and false chord as well. Yes. Basically that little rasp in there, that's a beautiful false chord distortion. Beautiful. That's it. It's a very, very straightforward, very clear. So I really hope actually it helped you. If you want to know more about Maria Brink vocal technique, you can join our membership site where I give you actual exercises, what you need to do in order to reach these techniques. So, or if you're interested in vocal lessons, you can also find my website below the video, or if you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.